Downs.
Yes. Good morning, children. So here we can start today's class. And in the last class, that is, it was yesterday. Yes. So wait. Let me ask. Okay. So who will tell me what all things we discussed it in the last class? Raise your hand. I want to check who all are attentive in the science class. Let me see. I can see so many hands. Yeah, Sahara. Yes, Sahara, tell me.
We study about harvesting.
Harvesting. We learned about harvesting. Only that one we learned? Only about harvesting?
Ma'am, go downs.
Go downs. Yes, Catherine. Thank you. About go downs. So, Sahara, tell me, what do you mean by harvesting?
Collecting the main parts of the plant is called harvesting.
Okay. So can anybody is ready to tell it in a proper way? Somewhat it is okay, isn't it? Somewhat it is okay, but make it some more clear. Ainal Sabah.
Ma'am, collecting the useful parts from a plant is called harvesting.
Yes, there is also something is missing. Something is missing there also. Farhan, we are, tell me. Farhan, yes, tell me.
Collecting the useful, ma'am, collecting the useful parts from fully grown plants is called
Okay, you are reading it. Okay, collecting the, what it is to collect? Useful parts. From where? From a fully grown plant. Okay, that is called harvesting. So if you remember these three words, you can write the answer your own. Harvesting means collecting. Harvesting means, Joseph, harvesting means collecting. What is to be collected, Joseph? What they are collecting? They are collecting. Yes, who can tell me what they are collecting?
fully grown plants.
No. Useful parts. Okay, wait, Mecca. Collecting. What they are collecting? Useful parts. Of what? Joseph, of what?
Fully grown plants.
Fully grown plants. If you remember these three words, you can write it in your own sentence. Collecting fully grown parts of useful parts of a fully grown plant. That is called harvesting. Namsia, tell me, what do you mean by harvesting? Collecting. What is to be collected?
Collecting the
Useful.
parts
Okay, useful parts of what?
from
Useful parts of what? What is to be collected? Useful parts of? Ameya.
fully grown plants.
Okay, collecting useful parts of fully grown plants are called harvesting. So we learned that one. After harvesting the food, Faihan, after harvesting the food, the farmer used to store it. Am I right? What is the name of that storage place, Faihan?
Harvest.
Very good. What is the name of the storage place? Faihan. Godowns. Okay. So listen the question properly. So godowns are storage places for harvested food. So now different steps you understood for growing crops. Now we got the crops harvested. Now the farmer kept it in the godown. From the godown, how it is reaching to us? Can you tell me? It is there in the storage place of the farmers. From there, how will it reaches to us? That is what we want to know. Who can tell me? Just think about it. Yes, who can raise your hand? Let me give chance. Wait. Advait Rajiv. Yes, Advait can tell because Advait, unmute. Your parents have a shop. Am I right, Advait?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can I spotlight you? Just for, yes. So Advait, in that shop, what all things are selling?
Bananas.
Sorry?
Bananas.
Bananas. Okay. Fruits. Then vegetables.
Vegetables, tomato.
Okay, so vegetables and fruits. Then is there any pulses?
Rice, ma'am.
Okay, so grocery shop. It is a grocery shop, right? So everything is there. Okay, so when we interview this Advait Raji, we will know how from the farmers these harvested food items are reaching to us. Do you want to see? Do you want to see, children? Okay, so Advait, who is running this shop?
My dad.
Your father. Okay, so from where did he get these all substances? From where did he get this? Rice, are you cultivating these all vegetable, fruits, rice, these all things? Advait, can you hear me? I removed the spotlight. You just tell me. Advait.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who is, from where do your father get these all things? He is buying from where?
Farm.
From farm. Is he getting some things? Is he getting rice also from the farm? Different types of dal. Then this one is there, spices. This all, is he getting it from farm? I don't think so.
No.
Some substances, some farmers, local farmers will sell their vegetables, bananas directly to your father's shop. Am I right? Am I right,
Yes,
children?
Yes, ma'am.
But rice, wheat, different types of dal, these spices, these all, they have to purchase it. They have to buy it from other shop. Main market. Am I right? Sometimes your father will be purchasing things from the Chalakudi, Ernakulam, like this Thrissur markets. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in Thrissur, Chalakudi, Ernakulam, like these places, main markets are there. There, there's lots of things in large quantities they are selling. So the farmer who is cultivating his crops from the godowns, he will send it to the main market. Main market. In the main market, some merchants are there. They will buy it. So the farmer will get the money. Okay. So see, just think sugarcane farmer. He is selling lot of sugarcane. Say 1 or 2 sugarcane only we people can buy it. During the festival season, 1 or 2 sugarcanes that it is bringing to our house. And we will cut it and we will just chew it. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So, but the farmer is growing lot of sugarcane. Okay.
Yes.
So, yeah, some merchants will be there. Those who require these full quantities of the sugarcane. So they will take this. That is called main market. From the main market, like Advait's father, like local markets, they will go there and they will buy it and keep it in their shop, and people will come and buy this. Clear?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So from the go down, the things will go to the where? Main market. From the main market, where this harvested food will go? Local market. Local market. Local market means like Advait's father shop. So many. How many of you have the shop? Is there anybody others have shop? No. Okay. So if it is not the grocery shop, clothes shop, whatever it is, there is some same thing it happens. Okay. So children, from the main market, the goods will go to the local market. From the local markets, we people can buy it and use. This is the journey of food substances or whatever it is produced by the farmer will reaches to us. I hope it is clear. Is there any doubt?
Ma'am, in the old times,
Christo, say it loudly.
ma'am, in the old times, the people did not buy. They
Yes, they are not old time people did not buy
buy the crops. No,
then
buy-
what they will do?
they will grow it in their own farm.
Yeah, they will grow it their own. Okay. So, but now, see, will I be able to grow crops at home?
No.
No. And what about your parents? Will your parents get the time to grow all the things what you want?
No.
No. So what it is that it forced us to buy things. Am I right? Yes. Yes. But is there anything else, Christo?
No.
Okay. Okay. So let me. So take the page in workbook and question number 19. Take question number 19, children. That it is a picture based question. Question number 19. So today I had sent only one page of the workbook, right? So the rest of the questions and answers I will send it today. So 19th question, just now we discussed. So you can write it. When you are writing it, it will be very clear. So 19th one, first picture, A. Muhammad Adnan. Adnan?
Yes.
What is that picture shows? 19th question A.
1 minute, ma'am.
It is not taken. So let me
Yes,
give
ma'am.
chance to other.
And I take
Then say it fast.
the food.
In your own sentence, you can tell me what it is showing in that picture. Yes, Akhil, can you tell me what is it is showing in that picture?
Some
Ah,
I think
From-
flowers.
what it is, Akhil?
Flowers.
Is it flowers? What is that picture about? Farhan? Farhan?
Ma'am, harvest.
Who said harvesting?
Even
Eric. Okay. So first picture shows, the first picture shows harvesting. The food grains are, so write it A. The food grains are, is it flowers? Huh? The food grains are harvested from the farms. So B, Akhil, can you tell me second picture what it is showing?
I am writing 19. Go down.
Okay, let it be. You just check the question.
Go down. Go down.
How many Akhils are here? How many Akhils are here? B, they are stored in godowns.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for the harvesting, they take off the useful plant part. So, do
Ah.
they use kind of a sharp objects to take off, or they use their hands?
Some crops we can take by hand. Say, wait, I will tell you. When you hear the word crops, harvesting, just don't think about paddy field, paddy crops, wheat crop, vegetables and all. Have you heard of jasmine? Jasmine we can cultivate so much. Jasmine flower.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. The buds they are. Some farmers are there. Those are cultivating jasmine. So, Meka, how do you think how they will take these jasmine buds?
With their
That is
hands?
also harvesting fully from the fully grown plant. They will get the buds. So they can take that. How they will take that buds?
With their hands?
Yes, and in Munnar, in like hilly areas, have you seen how those workers are harvesting tea, coffee?
I have seen.
Yes, they are plucking the leaf and putting it in their bag. That is also harvesting. That is also that process is also that is also the process of harvesting. So according to the crop, sometimes we can use hands, sometimes we need some tools like a sickle, knife, like that. Sometimes we need to take machines also, with the help of the machines also. Okay, so that all depends on the nature of the crop. Got it?
So the
Understood?
carrots are used by hands, carrots.
Maybe. I'm not sure about maybe. Okay. Yes. So I think somewhat it is clear, right? Next one. They are stored in godowns. Next one. So next picture. Yes, Ameya, see. Picture C. What it is showing there? From the godowns, where it will go?
Ma'am, sailing.
Sailing. Okay, where it will go?
In the
For say. Huh?
In the market.
Which market?
Local market. No, main market.
First from the godowns, where it will go?
Main
To the main market. Okay.
market.
They are.
Everyone read this?
Yes. They are transported.
Ma'am, this main markets means malls.
No. From to the malls, that is the local market, like local market. Okay. To the malls, they are bringing from there. Yeah, the malls and all, I think they are getting directly from the farmers.
Ma'am, can you
Okay,
say
ma'am.
an example of an
Somebody is asking something, but it is not loud.
Ma'am, can you give an example of main market?
Yes, I will give. 1 minute. Let me. Yes. 1 minute, children. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Which one you want, children?
Ma'am, Krista was asking the examples for main markets.
Main market. Okay. So main market in Thrissur. Thrissur, one
the board?
main market of the vegetables are
Can
there.
you show the board?
Yes, sure. Wait. And another in Chalakudi.
the board?
Like those, so local people who are cultivating fruits, vegetables, they will bring it to the main market. In the main market, merchants will buy it and they will sell it to the local markets. They will sell it to the people who are like Advait's father is buying it from the main market and keeping it in their shop. That is local market. Clear?
Yes. Where can I show the D?
Excuse me,
D.
ma'am.
The last one. From the main market, where it will go?
To the local market.
Okay, so they reach, they means harvested food. Okay.
Ma'am, is it like they reach to the local market? Ma'am,
Yes.
after reach to the local market.
Who is talking this very slowly? I can't hear you. I can't hear. Who is talking this?
Ma'am, after the reach is there to the local market?
After?
The reach
After?
is there to local? No, to the
It's not clear. I don't know.
Ma'am, Kristo's asking that they reach, after they reach, is there 2 local markets?
From the main market, they may reach to the local market. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the board?
Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Wait 1 minute. Let me show you the picture of main market. Let me get it. Let me try it.
Ma'am, when will you show? When will you show our activities?
Oh, these all are. Wait. See, can you see the main markets in some of the main markets?
Ma'am, you didn't share.
Okay. So let me. Yes, can you see? Main markets, so it will be very congested. So this main market of different, see, flowers, chilies. So there the non-veg items, then cloth merchants are there. From that, the local merchants can go take it and keep it in their shop. See, lime, vegetable market. This one here you can see vegetable market. Loads, see, in one shop, Advait. So in Advait's shop, you can see only one basket of lemon. Am I right? 1 or 2. But in the main markets, that person is keeping only selling the lemon. So the lemon, the farmers who are producing lemon, they will bring it to him. And they will sell to that person. From that person, the local market people will come and take it. Clear?
Ma'am, I know a main market.
Which is then?
It is in Hyderabad. It's inside a very huge godown.
Yeah. That is there. Okay. So I hope you understood these all things, right?
Can you show the board?
Okay. Let me share it. And one more small topic it is pending. So how can we grow plants without harming the environment? Without harming the environment, how can we grow crops? Tell me, children. But always, if we are using fertilizers, chemical fertilizers, is it a good or harm for the environment? Harm, isn't it? It is the chemicals when it is added to the soil that will really kill the insects, the useful, worms that all are present in it, especially the earthworm. Earthworm is considered as the friend of the farmers, isn't it? Have you heard about it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, these earthworms eat the soil, and from their droppings, we get a fertilized soil back. That fertilized there it's a droppings, it is very much fertilized, and that is good for growing crops.
Miss, they can also be used to make compost, right?
Compost, yes. Why we make earthworms for using compost? Because when we are keeping the waste, dry leaves, soil, everything together, these earthworm will eat these all things, and it may become its droppings. That droppings are very much fertilized. That is why use the earthworms for making compost. Understood?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, without the earthworms, the crops will not become. Will not.
Yeah, that is the natural method of growing crops. Okay, see, nature itself is providing some help for the soil to develop, to grow crops. Nature itself. Okay, see, nature in the soil itself, some sort of nutrients are there. When the nature is pouring rain, enough sunlight, and earthworms are also present. Using this all, the nature itself is helping the soil to grow crops. But if we are regularly using chemicals in it, will these insects, worms can live in that soil?
Never.
Never. So what will happen? That will at that time, that soil may not, we can't use it for growing any type of crops. So that is one reason.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
And that without the germs, the soil will not get nutrients.
No. So for almost, if nowadays a new technology it is developed, we can cultivate some plants without the use of soil. But that is also artificial methods. But naturally, we need soil, we need earthworms, we seek natural manures like cow dung, ashes, dry leaves. These all can increase the nutrients in the soil. Can increase the nutrients, but when we add more and more chemical fertilizers, that all will kill the natural nutrients, that will kill the worms, insects, which all are useful for the soil. So what will happen after some years? That land may become of no use. So we should not do that. We should reduce the use of chemical fertilizers first of all. So that may not kill the earthworms. We have to increase the use of natural. We have to increase the use of natural fertilizers. Then wait. Then after that, if in a place, if there is no water, not sufficient water, we can choose the crops which need only less quantity of water. Okay.
Example, cactus.
Another thing, if we can change in between the season, we can change the crops. After the paddy season, we can cultivate vegetable fruits on that place. So the nutrients which it is used by the paddy crops, that will be there. Okay, and the nutrients, some nutrients that which they are not used by the paddy crops, that will be used by the vegetable crops. So the balance between the nutrients will be kept properly in the soil. Using these, adopting these type of methods, we can keep our environment. We can have having farming without disturbing the environment. Okay, so this much is all about this chapter.